So I just saw the announcement. Cricut is coming out with its own line of lamps. I believe there's a floor lamp and a desk lamp model, and it swivels. The only thing is it doesn't have a magnifying glass attachment yet. So I'm just thinking, what do you guys think? I film here in my craft room studio, and I have natural light on the wall of windows right where my camera is. That's nice lighting coming in. However, I cannot control the light, and so it makes for good lighting at times and then not the best at other times. So I'm like, it's not necessarily a filming lamp, but I'm wondering if it might help give me some more brightness when I'm filming projects and doing things. So, oh, Cricut, you've already kind of roped me in and got me considering purchasing this lamp. I believe it's called the 360. So, what do you guys think? You gonna buy it? You excited? What do you think, crafters? Comment below.